Remember when you were battling those villains? You used methods as your sidekicks to handle your hero actions, and all the methods were written inside the main class. While it worked, what if you need to master new skills to conquer even stronger enemies? Sure, you could just keep adding methods to the main class, but it would become cluttered and hard to manage. Think of your program as a monster fighting game. The main class would be the game's control center. It is where you can call upon your abilities to fight the monsters and not to find them. So, where should you define your superpowers? The answer is in a class. A class acts like a blueprint, defining your hero's characteristics and actions. Think of it like a dedicated training ground, separate from the main battle arena. Let's examine this hero class in more detail. First, open your superhero project in IntelliJ. You'll notice that the main class is already there. You only need to create a dedicated class for defining a hero. Right-click on the SRC folder on the left. Select New, Java class, enter the name of the class as Hero, and press Enter. Now your newly created class opens up. To identify your hero, add some attributes to the class. Every hero has a name, so type string name equal to hero. Every hero possesses strength and health, so simply write int strength equal to 20 and int health equal 100. Next, true heroes need powerful attacks, so for this you'll need a method. You already have one in the main class, so copy and paste it here. Remove the static keyword. Think of this static method as a punching bag training routine that's pre-built on your hero's training ground. Anybody can use it to practice their punches and determine the damage they cause. But a super strong hero might require a different training routine to maximize their potential. This is where non-static methods become important. Let every hero have their own punching bag routine. Remove the argument from the method because the strength variable is already available in the class. Therefore, it's not required as an argument. Next, copy the second method. Remove static as you might want to personalize special attacks for different heroes. With a non-static method, you can adjust the damage based on the hero using it. Next, delete the strength argument. The attack type must remain intact, as it is not available in the class and needs to be provided while calling the method. Now it's time to bring your hero to life with object creation. Objects are also called instances of a class. Therefore, the process of object creation is referred to as instantiation. Think of the hero class as an academy that details the curriculum for aspiring heroes. It doesn't represent a single hero. An object is like a hero who has graduated from the academy after completing the curriculum with flying colours. Let's take a deep dive into object creation. First, open main.java and delete all the methods. They're present in the hero class. Next, remove the code inside the main method. Type hero, followed by the name of your hero. For example, Fire Fist equal to new hero, a pair of parentheses and a semicolon. In this example, Fire Fist is a reference variable because it refers to an object. The new keyword tells Java to create a new object of the class mentioned right after it with parentheses, which in this case is hero. If this reminds you of a method call, you'd be correct. But here, the method's name matches the class name exactly. And you didn't code it. These methods are called constructors. When you create a class, Java internally provides one constructor without telling you, and its purpose is to create an object of a class. The constructor works its magic to bring your hero to life. Try printing its name on screen. Write a print statement, name of the hero, plus firefist.name. Yes, you can access your hero's properties by using the dot operator along with their reference variable. Now you can run the program and observe the output. It says name of the hero is hero because you stored it inside the variable. But don't worry, you can change it now. Before the print statement, type firefist.name equal to firefist. Now run the program again and observe the output. it is as expected. You can try changing the value of other properties too. Next, to call the methods, use the dot operator with the reference variable. To do this, type int punch damage equal to firefist dot calculate punch damage, then print out your punch caused plus punch damage plus double quote % damage. Now let's create one more hero. Type hero frost blizzard equal to new hero parentheses. Set its name frost blizzard dot name equal to frost blizzard. Next, set its strength frost blizzard dot strength equal to, let's say, 35. Now, frost blizzard dot calculate special attack damage and pass ice blast as argument. Store it in a variable int special attack damage equal to and print your ice blast scorches for plus special attack damage plus double quote % damage. Finally, let's run the program and observe the output. As you can see, the damage is in proportion to the strength. Congratulations, hero in training. You've learned how to organize your code with classes and objects, keeping things clean and manageable. In this video, you learned that classes are the blueprints defining the characteristics and methods of an object. Objects bring classes to life. They help customize the characteristics and perform actions by calling the methods. You also explored how objects in Java are created using the new keyword and the constructor of the class. The purpose of the constructor is to create an object, and object names are called reference variables. Keep practicing by creating more classes and objects, and watch your skills grow. Happy coding, and may your programs always be powerful.